harvesting purslane in the neighborhood. It's one of the highest sources of omega-3 fats, which is the number one fat you want for brain health and pretty much everything else. You can tell it's good when you see the leaves are plump and juicy, almost like a jade. Looks like a jade plant, right? And it grows wild. And what you didn't see is me triple washing it to get all the grit out. People ask me, what about the smog and the air pollution and stuff when you do wild harvesting? That's inhaled on a daily basis, so I'm not too worried about that. What can you do? And a little dirt's okay, because that's not what gets people sick, a little dirt. What gets people sick is the continuous onslaught of junk food, and it builds up over time. But recipes like this are very healing. If you use it to replace the other stuff. It's very hearty. This is my power dough recipe on top of the Purslane kimchi. I put some of my dragon fire sauce and mango on top. So it ends up coming out to be like a chow, which is a recipe from Trinidad. I want to travel the world with my brand, Master Lukey, teaching people about how what they eat not only affects their own health, but the global environment. And I want you to reach out to me with any questions. Thanks for watching.